What's up, guys? I figured I'm sitting around being bored, make a little YouTube video. Well, not even YouTube. I'm just gonna straight post it on Facebook for our Facebook group here, and kind of a little watch list, kind of what I'm looking at for this week. And I'll just jump right into it and give you my thoughts. Got Facebook pulled up. I got these old kind of support resistance lines that I drew, seem to hold pretty well. And we have Facebook here. This is a daily, every candlesticks a day. So we got it up and down, and now it's down. The Bollinger Bands are coming. That 170 support line it's hitting. So it opened here and closed here, which is pretty D. So it's at the 176 mark. 176.62, looking to maybe have it pop up back to the 180 in the next few days, so I'm kind of looking at that. Also, I think one of the other things with the Facebook reason why, if we look at the moving averages, so we got the 200-day moving average. It had that huge low right here it hit. And now also it's at the 170 mark, which is, my old support I had for it. So I don't think we're going to be seeing Facebook move much lower. I'm looking to, I'm thinking it's going to hold this support. Actually, if it would have been a reverse candle of what it was, where it opened here and closed here, I think it'd be a lot stronger because it's got more way up to go. But that's Facebook I'm looking at. I'll go back to my other study set, my normal. So we'll go Walmart right now. So Walmart I'm going to be looking at for this week too. And they had a huge drop. Earnings, what earnings do? They were kind of bad, but not the worst. And it's been dropping ever since. Did have slight up day, but MACD's not looking the greatest. RSI is low. So actually I like that the RSI is just under 30 here at the 30 mark. A lot of times that just means it's oversold and people are ready to buy it again. We'll look at the moving averages. So I got the 200-day, the 9-day, and the 20-day, I think. So with this one, you can see it's held the support really well, coincidentally, of the 200-day moving average. So I'm looking for Walmart to start going back up a little, kind of hold. I think, it could get back. It should be around, the 95, 98 mark before we had our drop. So I'm thinking that's looking pretty good because of that. And the last one is McDonald's. So if nobody was following this, McDonald's was crazy. Had a huge drop, like biggest drop ever. Sets it back from when we were way back here on, 6/9 of last year. So puts it back, 9 months. And I don't know why there was this huge drop, and there's like different news that came out on it on just yep, big drop. So well below the moving averages, and we'll throw back the other study set that I like. So I'm looking for McDonald's to go back up. I think I don't know why it's down there so much. I think I'd trade options, so I'm going to be looking at some longer options out on McDonald's, on Walmart, maybe even Facebook. But and the other good thing, if you look at Walmart's option chain, I got pulled up here. If you look at the April 20 stuff, like a month and a half out, you can get some stuff out of the money for pretty cheap right now. I mean, the 100 mark, 24 cents. 100 on Walmart. We'll pull back up Walmart. 100's right here. That's pretty good. I mean, even if you think maybe 100's too high for it, the 90 mark, they're under $100 a contract. You know, 90 could get back up to, is that what I said? 90? 95? The 95 mark right here, I mean, I could easily see it hitting that within a month and a half. And you do that and it pops back up and you're looking good. Looking good if you do that. Same with McDonald's. All their option chains are the same time frame. I can type. Same time frame. The April 20th stuff. You know, three strikes in or out of the money. You're looking at, again, you know, $100 a contract. And that's at a 160 up here, back up to where it was trading. I mean, if you can get that and it gets there, you're looking, you know, 400 or 500% returns. You know, something that's in the money. You know, if it jumps up, you're looking at good returns if you're doing options like that. I mean, the McDonald's, because of the huge drop, it is just super oversold. And when you get a lot of these bigger stocks that get oversold like that, that haven't gotten oversold like really in the past at all, people see it and they say, you know, I think they say, hey, this thing's low. Like, this is value buys right here. People are going, McDonald's a multi-billion-dollar company. Like, it's worth more than that. And then they buy and the stock goes up. And that's what my plan is. The other one I'll tell you guys about, if it's not on your radar, is AIG. Here's the daily chart. So it's been dropping this last little bit, and it hit an all-time low on Friday. But the all-time low, well, in at least the last year, a yearly low, was at 55.07. But it was one of those just like straight, like everyone dumped it, and then the bulls came in and said, no, 55.07, that's way too, you know, 55 is like kind of like the cutoff, you know. They're like, no, it's worth more than that. So it came up. So I'm actually looking at AIG to make a recovery within the next, you know, few weeks here. And that's just some of the stuff I'm going to be looking at this week and going over, just so you guys know. It's kind of what I've been doing lately and looking at the different options for. I go over all these trades and all my stuff I do in our options chat room. And if you aren't a member of the chat room, I'll post a link below or in the comment. You get a free week trial. You can sign up. If you don't like it, cancel after the first week. No harm, no foul. I go in depth on all this stuff. I'm always answering questions in our options chat, and I hope to see you guys in there. It's a great community, and everyone's always in the penny chat, talking about the penny day trades they're doing, and I'm always in options chat trying to help people out and have fun and get a lot of money. So thanks, guys.